Imagine this. You've worked your entire life to build a solid nest egg. But now, as the market fluctuates and inflation eats away at your savings, you're starting to feel the pressure. And then you read headlines about major banks struggling, financial instability hitting hard, and even rumors of another recession. So, what do you do? How do you protect what you've worked so hard for? What if there was a way to safeguard your retirement and ensure it lasts for generations to come? This is exactly what happened to Jane Miller, a retired school teacher from Phoenix, Arizona. Jane had built up a retirement fund of $550,000 over the years through her IRA and savings. She thought she was secure until 2023, when inflation shot up and the stock market started to tumble. The headlines were filled with uncertainty. Inflation hits 40-year high, banks struggling to stay afloat, and experts predict another recession. Jane didn't know what to do. She spent years building her retirement, but it felt like it was slipping through her fingers. Then she made a life-changing decision. She decided to roll part of her IRA into a gold IRA, and her story took a complete turn. Let's break it down. If you're a retiree like Jane, trying to preserve wealth, the key is to protect your retirement from the market's volatility. This is where a gold IRA comes in. Unlike traditional IRAs that are vulnerable to stock market swings, a gold IRA allows you to diversify and safeguard your assets. Gold has proven to hold its value throughout history, even during periods of economic uncertainty. Now you might be wondering, why gold? Why not just leave everything in stocks and bonds? Well, here's the thing. Gold has stood the test of time, especially during market downturns. In fact, during the 2008 financial crisis, the price of gold soared when everything else was crashing. So when the market faces turbulence, whether it's inflation, a banking crisis, or geopolitical instability, gold tends to rise, offering you protection. The beauty of gold IRAs is that they allow you to invest in physical gold without the hassle of storing it yourself. For people like Jane, who spent years building up their retirement savings, this isn't just about making money. It's about protecting a legacy. By rolling over part of her IRA into a gold IRA, Jane made sure her retirement was safe. And even better, she could pass this on to her children and grandchildren, ensuring that the hard work she put into her savings would benefit future generations. But don't just take Jane's word for it. Many retirees across the country are taking advantage of gold IRAs to secure their wealth. People like Jim and Kathy Lewis from Texas, who had $1.2 million in their 401k, decided to protect a portion by converting it to a gold IRA. Their reasoning was simple. They didn't want to risk losing their hard-earned money if the economy took another downturn. Jim and Kathy's story isn't unique. Many retirees are waking up to the fact that traditional retirement accounts just don't provide the security they need. Here's where you come in. If you've got $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, or even if you've built a multi-million-dollar savings account, it's time to make sure you're taking the right steps to protect it. Right now, we're offering a free gold IRA guide, and there's no obligation to buy anything. You'll also get a quick educational call where we'll help you understand how a gold IRA can work for you without any pressure, no gimmicks, and no sales tactics. Just one-on-one education to see if this strategy fits your needs. You've worked too hard to build your retirement to let it slip away. Don't wait for the next market downturn to realize you should have acted sooner. Take control now. Secure your financial future, protect your wealth, and ensure that your hard work is passed down to the next generation. Click the link below to get your free gold IRA guide and book your no-obligation educational call today. The clock is ticking, and you deserve the peace of mind that comes with knowing your retirement is protected no matter what happens in the market. You worked hard for this. It's time to protect it.